Hi, it's Luke here from Glenthorne Trailers. Just thought I'd go through the Ifor Williams flatbed range. Ifor Williams have been doing trailers for over 60 years. We import these from the UK. They're built in Wales and they build a high quality heavy duty trailer. Some of the features that you can see straight away is the high quality coupling that they use. They're lockable. These are a mechanical drum brake unit that are rated up to 3.5 tonne ATM. They have a mechanical breakaway unit. This is the LM126 and we bring them in right up to 18.7, so the LM187. Some of the popular features that people order these in with is a triaxle as well. The drop sides, headboard and tailboard are completely removable, so is the centre post. You can see there it's got prop stands and ramps in the rear as well, so they can be slid out and fitted to the back. For any more information, please jump on our website, glenthornetrailers.com.au, or feel free to give me a call, 0400 219 325. Thanks for watching.